Zurich's cantonal road network covers a length of more than 1,300 kilometers. We at the Civil Engineering Office and the Road Safety Unit are responsible for our road infrastructure and their safety. We can guarantee this safety with regular inspections. In other words, we look for safety deficits and try to remedy them with simple measures. The aim is to prevent accidents or at least reduce their gravity. We call these inspections RSI. RSI stands for Road Safety Inspection. The RSI has three main steps. The first step is the selection of the route. The second step is the analysis. We drive along this route and look for safety deficits. The third step is the implementation. We check how well our measures have worked. There are different reasons for an RSI, for example road maintenance. In other words, before we install a new surface, we inspect the existing road for safety deficits. Additionally, NSM, or Network Safety Management, is a very important tool. The NSM is used to divide the entire road network into color-coded sections. The sections with the highest priority are colored red, and those with the lowest priority are colored green. Therefore, NSM gives us the opportunity to assess the road network with RSI accordingly. We also gather information from the public. In other words, wherever danger points are reported, they are assessed and the corresponding RSI is implemented. There are two types of RSIs. The comprehensive type, in which we examine entire sections of the route, or the topic-specific type, in which we examine all pedestrian crossings along the entire network. After deciding what kind of inspection would be most appropriate, the actual RSI begins. We research and analyze the existing background information, including materials and construction documents and plans from our archive, as well as gathering information from our road databases. This establishes a solid groundwork from which we may start the RSI. There are several ways to conduct an RSI. Primarily, one navigates the road section with an automobile or a bicycle. However, in exceptional cases, one can also navigate the section by tram. Lastly, the section is inspected by foot. When driving with a car, we look for danger spots on the route. This is always done in pairs, a driver and a co-driver. The co-driver can more easily scan the road and search for these danger points. In other words, he notes down all points which do not conform to the standard or which show a considerable accident potential. Along any given section of road, an infinitely large palette and various types of road safety deficits can be found. For example, poor road conditions, overgrown trees or hedges, unrecognizable road signage, or signals that have been run over or are bent. After the drive, each individually marked safety deficit is examined in detail. We go on foot, take photographs, make notes, and then go back to the office. Back in the office, we make the report. We record these safety deficits in the system. In addition to recording these deficits, we also describe the measures we would like to take to remedy them. Once we have completed the report, however, we will also carry out an accident analysis. We will look at where the accidents have occurred and the way in which they correspond to the safety deficits that have been established. We then have a meeting with the responsible people from the civil engineering offices and the cantonal police. In this meeting, we determine who implements which measure and who's responsible for it. Due to these RSIs, the implementation of simple measures allows us to offer and maintain safe road infrastructure within our existing road network.